I'm Hema Kumar. I'm working as an open source developer in ChipKits for past 5 months. Now I'm going to talk about bubble chart, which this control always represents the data with 3 values for each data point. It has the values for determines its position along the x-axis and y-axis, and this also determines the size of the chart symbol relative to the other data points on the chart. On this concept, I am using the in FlexBuilder, where I am giving here as script tag within that import, which has the collections arrow collection, and for the one variable I am giving as bubble, which has the new array collection. I am giving x, y, r, and this is all axis, and for r supposed to be the radius, and I am giving another variable which has the bubble one to get the another array collection, and I am here also giving x, y, r. And for that, after that script, I am giving panel which has the title as bubble chart, where here I am giving some small text like bubbles not relative across series, and for the bubble chart I am giving the ID as bubble chart. For the show data tips, which has the enabled as true, and for the series within that bubble series, it has the data provider bubble where this variable has to get, and for that I am giving display name x field, y field, and I am also giving radius axis. Within that linear axis I am giving, and I am closing the radius axis and bubble series, and I am again giving another bubble series which has this data provider bubble one has to be get. So I am giving similar sort of functions like display name x field, y field, and radius field, and here also I am giving radius axis which has the linear axis and closing the series and chart, and for the legend I am giving the data provider as bubble chart. Now we are going to see the output, where this is the bubbles I am talking about, where this is not relative with each other. Here that business people can compare the products with how much that turnover is getting in this year. Like that they can utilize this bubble chart in very effective manner. Thank you friends. In case you have any queries, please contact my blog hemakumars.wordpress.com. Otherwise you can mail me to my mail ID which is x.hemakumar@gmail.com. Thank you.